I think the training has made me feel a little bit proud of myself. After all, I've achieved something, and the job has become more interesting. The work is now more varied.
With KMU-INNOSTRAT, we want to contribute to enterprises, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, investing increasingly in their own innovation ability in order to improve their competitiveness and to improve the quality of their products and services. The application center of the company Limo in Dortmund. The company is a worldwide market leader in micro-optics used in laser technology. The rapid growth of the medium-sized enterprise has made innovative strategies and concepts necessary, also in the field of development and the further training of employees. Meanwhile, the company has resorted twice to consulting, financed by the Land North Rhine-Westphalia and EU means. As regards technology, we have a lot of know-how here at our disposal, but concerning organization forms, we do not have a staff in the position to create that. The demand, of course, is only sporadic, and therefore programs that help us design the next reorganization at the right moment are particularly useful. Technical innovation and social innovation go hand in hand at Limos. Michael Heinrich, too, has profited directly from this development. By optimizing the internal work organization, the trained cutter was able to train as a quality inspector, and as a shift supervisor, he is taking on new work fields and responsibilities.
I think Limo is special for its promotion of employees, particularly in training. I know that in many other companies you do not get such changes. You get put on a machine, you get the job, and then you stay there for the rest of your life if you're lucky. And at Limos, everybody who wants to make an effort gets the chance to do so and to prove himself. Regardless of the qualification that people have when they come to us, further training is an absolutely important element, starting from the unskilled worker, who we train for the special things that we do, right up to the university graduate, even with a doctorate from university, who still has to be trained, or aligned to our way of thinking, so that he is suitable for what we do here, so that he can contribute as fast as possible. That is why further training is an absolutely important element.
The
company Limo is an example for an enterprise which is exemplary in many respects. They invest in good products, in good services. They invest above all also in good labor force. And that includes understanding further training as a strategic element of the development of employees. The employees are the most important element of an enterprise. And therefore strategic further training is incredibly important for the sustainable development of an enterprise.
Unglaublich wichtig für eine nachhaltige Entwicklung eines Unternehmens.
The Innovative Employment Promotion Company, in short GIB, this is where information and results of the research project KMU-INNOSTRAT converge. The project is financed by the Federal Ministry of Education and Research.
Wir haben mehrere Schwerpunkte. Wir haben verschiedene Akteursgruppen, mit denen wir jeweils individuelle Lösungen erarbeiten.
We have several focal points. We have various groups of actors with whom we want to develop individual solutions based on political incentive systems. We want to find out how such systems have to be shaped and modulated so that they manage to prompt many companies to invest in their own innovation activity.
Mit Multiplikatoren reden wir darüber,
we talk to multipliers, how they can reach their respective members with their messages.
Ihre jeweiligen Mitglieder erreichen können mit ihren Botschaften.
We talk to consulting enterprises, how this transfer of innovative thinking can be utilized by SME, can be developed to unique solutions which are then sustainably implemented in the company.
Lösungen erarbeitet werden kann, die dann auch in Unternehmen nachhaltig implementiert werden.
Also ich denke, Berater haben in diesem Prozess zur Stimulierung.
I think there are three reasons why consultants play a special role in this process of stimulation of effective innovation strategies. One is that the consultants themselves are transfer agents. The second reason, they're in the company in order to shape innovation processes, and in the majority of cases, innovation processes are beyond company routine, i.e. beyond the day-to-day work in the company. And the third reason is that the process should not only be presented once, but the process know-how ought to be left in the company, so that they're able to shape these processes themselves in the future.
In den Unternehmen zu hinterlassen, dass die zukünftig diese Prozesse selbst gestalten können.
A regulated exchange of experience between scientists researching innovation processes and consultants whose task it is to implement these progresses in companies is rare. An important task of the project KMU-INNOSTRAT is optimizing this exchange of experience. Another partner of the KMU-INNOSTRAT project is SFS, Central Scientific Institute of the TU Dortmund University in Dortmund.
Viele kleine und mittlere Unternehmen verzichten ganz auf Beratungsleistungen, auf externe
Many
Dienstleistungen.
small and medium-sized enterprises don't use external consulting services, and our task is to find out why some companies do use them and others do not. But when we have more background information, companies can be helped to adjust more effectively.
Unternehmen sich besser darauf einstellen. Unsere Aufgabe ist es jetzt.
Our task is to monitor the project and assess as many similar cases as possible so that innovation can be transferred in the most effective way in small and medium-sized enterprises.
In kleinere und mittlere Unternehmen übertragen werden können.
In Deutschland haben wir 1,7 Millionen kleine.
There are 1.7 million small and medium-sized enterprises here in Germany, approximately 99% of the total. These companies employ about 60% of the total labour force. Whenever we talk about structural change, we have to consider the numerous and diverse small and medium-sized enterprises when we take them along on the way to innovation.
Vielfalt mitnehmen auf diesem Weg der Innovation.